Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a new tool I just bought. I bought this at my local Walmart. I saw this was nice. So this is the Swiss Tech 10-inch mini saw, or a mini hacksaw. And it claims to have a bimetal blade. The blade is 250 millimeters long, so 10 inches, while having 24 of those tips per inch. So yeah, we're going to unbox this. Well, more like unpackage this. Not really a box for us to take off here. So I see at the back, there's a little sort of hex nut or a standard screw in the front. So I'm just gonna take one of my electric screwdrivers. I'm just gonna choose the right bit, which is gonna be this one. Put it in my Mastercraft. There we go. This thing rips. And wow, that was violent, but we did get that loose. Now I'm just gonna carefully undo the nut on the back, and then that will let the screw come off. So then it's free from the package. We're gonna remove that and keep that in case. And we're gonna take out our blade and inspect. So this is a standard, at least I hope it is, a standard hacksaw blade, which is somewhat flexible. It does not appear to be branded, but it will do fine as a starter blade. Now make sure you actually put it in the right way. So it should insert back into the handle all the way nicely. So I'm gonna put back on the screw, and to tighten this, okay, we're actually gonna have to do that. So make sure you put on the blade the right way. Put on the nut at the back. Okay, actually, so now one thing we gotta learn about this is that, so it turns out you actually have to undo the screw all the way. Okay, I see how it works now. So the nut is actually special. So there's a little bit there where it's flat. So we gotta put it like that. And then comes in the screw. And then we're gonna slowly hand tighten, and there we go. Now the blade is locked in, nice and tight. And then this is now a mini hacksaw. So we're gonna try this out on a part that I don't need, which could be maybe one of these glue tests I did, or actually this plastic part here, which I wasn't going to end up using. So this is a smaller blade, so maybe it'll be good for cutting plastic. It is easier to get started on a blade with more teeth. It's really hard to see here. As an example. Wow, but it does make a very efficient cut through that piece over there. So I'm glad that works. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.